The very light car is one of the most innovative automotive projects of the 21st century. Created by Edison II, a Virginia-based engineering team founded by Oliver Kuttner, the very light car was designed around one simple idea: extreme efficiency through lightness and aerodynamic precision. The story began with the Progressive Insurance Automotive X Prize, a 2010 competition that challenged engineers to build production-capable cars achieving over 100 miles per gallon gasoline equivalent. Edison II's very light car not only qualified but won the $5 million mainstream class prize, becoming the only four-passenger car to meet all requirements. Its ultralight structure weighed under 450 kilograms, 1,000 pounds, and achieved 102.5 miles per gallon gasoline equivalent using a 250 cubic centimeters single-cylinder E85 engine. Instead of relying on expensive composites, Edison II focused on mainstream materials and smart engineering, including an innovative in-wheel suspension system and an extremely low drag coefficient of 0.16, one of the best ever recorded at General Motors' Aero Lab. Following the victory, Edison II turned its attention to electrification. In 2011, the company introduced the electric very light car, which achieved an Environmental Protection Agency certified 245 miles per gallon gasoline equivalent under the 5-cycle test, charging fully in 6 hours and offering a range of 114 miles. This version kept the lightweight tubular steel frame and aluminum body, weighing just 468 kilograms, 1,031 pounds, and retained its signature aerodynamic form with outboard wheels. Development continued with the Very Light Car 4.0, a new generation featuring an aluminum sheet metal chassis similar to an IndyCar monocoque. It integrated Edison II's patented in-wheel suspension, reduced complexity, and increased design flexibility for various powertrains, including electric, hybrid, or internal combustion. The rolling chassis weighed only 989 pounds without using exotic materials. Displayed at the Henry Ford Museum, the very light car's architecture represents a new way of thinking about vehicles, combining lightweight, low drag, and affordability. Edison II's ongoing mission is to inspire mainstream manufacturers to adopt these innovations, proving that true sustainability starts with smart, efficient design.